ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
Every day I used to sit with that letter, so much so that finally that whole piece of paper got completely, was soiled in my sweat of my palms. All the ink had melted away, had dissolved, and I had to write 2 new letters. And it was on March 13th, 2008, when Swami was sitting in Bhajan Hall, and Swami simply called. I went and gave that letter to him. I had nothing much to write in the letter. I used to write this beautiful prayer that I had heard from my senior. Swami, you be the thinker of my thoughts. You be the doer of my deeds. You be the speaker of my words. So this is the prayer I used to write. And then this is something that Bhagwan had told. Always pray, I am you and you are me. So this is the last line of my letter. Swami, I am you and you are me. And even as Bhagwan was reading that entire letter, he came up to that line and then showed me those 2 lines, and he underlined with his finger. He said, I am you and you are me. This feeling, develop it in your heart. Idi bhadramga penchukondi, Swami said. Keep this as the mission statement for your life. That the day we realize that there is in fact no difference between us and him, that I am he and he is me, that is the day of Sakshatkar. In fact, dear brothers and sisters, it is so ironic that when Swami stands and speaks and thunders and says, I am God, all of us thunder back saying, yes Swami, we know, and we all clap. And then when Swami says, now I am telling you, your God is telling you that you are God, there is pin drop silence. And we look back and Swami say, Swami, how can that be? How can we be God? It is our same very Lord who is telling us, I am you and you are me. Why are we not able to develop that? Swami once, only he can play with these words. Swami said, you pretend to be God, you will tend to be God, you will end being God. You pretend to be God, you will tend to be God, you will end up being God. That is our destiny. That is our ultimate stage. We have to do it. We can do it. We must do it. We should do it. That is the gratitude that we can show to Bhagwan. For that very reason, the Lord comes down on earth to take us through these 4 stages of Chamatkar, Samskar, Paropakar, and ultimately Sakshatkar. So with that prayer in our hearts and in our minds, that there is nothing which can stop us from realizing that he is in us, he is within us, outside of us. In fact, he is the one that pervades the entire cosmos. And in fact, he is us, and that we are him. I take this opportunity to thank Bhagwan for giving me these precious moments to think about him and to immerse myself in him.
My